Back to Cravings with Adventures. I'm Ahmed, and it's New Year's Eve and we're at the DoubleTree Hilton in Mississauga, and as you can see, they're getting ready for the New Year's Eve celebrations. I'm going to document everything from the beginning to the end, and hopefully you're really going to enjoy this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, so do make sure that you're subscribed. Also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. All our friends are partying here tonight, so we asked the management of DoubleTree Hilton Hotels if we could film the behind-the-scene preparations, and they were so kind to agree. The staff take great care to set the table for the sit-down, multi-course meal planned for tonight. The table is adorned with black and gold and enhanced with crystal. Everything looks picture perfect, and I'm really looking forward to eating here tonight. I'm getting a sneak peek into the very busy kitchen as the kitchen staff prep for service for 218 party revelers. Over here, parts of the hors d'oeuvres are getting assembled. This kitchen is led by Chef Rodney Cabral, and he looks like he's working on dessert for tonight. Coincidentally, Chef Rodney also went to the same college as I did in Mumbai, though not at the same time. While dessert is prepped, I grab a quick pic for Instagram, of course. I'm going to leave the kitchen staff alone, and I'm going to check on my friend John, who's running all of the music tonight. He gets warmed up, and of course, it's the perfect opportunity for an Insta story. Be sure to follow me on Instagram on instagram.com/KarenAhmed. Time for sound check, and the balloons go up. Everything is being overseen by the general manager, Denzel Miranda. There are so many balloons to set up and a ton of beautiful crystal candelabras to display. Everything is just so glamorous. It's party time, and I'm all dolled up and ready for a great evening. The tribe has arrived and everyone is getting warmed up, catching up with friends and cheering to a great night. The hors d'oeuvres have arrived, and we get busy tasting all of the delicious combinations the chef has prepared for us. From escargot to beef Wellington, everything is delicious. Between courses, we start warming up the dance floor.
Fresh kicks, man, I sure stop packing fresher than fresh, yes. I'm on a proper thing, I rock the style that all the girls want and all the boys like. I just do me, I just do me, I just do me, I only do me. I just do me, I just do me, I just do me, I only do me. I wear my hat real low, a little smile and show. Fresh kicks, one kiss to the mirror.
We danced and danced. The beet entree was delicious and the food kept on coming. The highlight for me was the peri-peri quail and the beef and lobster entree. And to top it off, a sweet dessert. With a great meal in our bellies, it's time for some New Year's Eve shenanigans. We party the night away until the countdown. What a great way to end 2017. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. Thank you so much to Denzel and his team from DoubleTree for allowing me to shoot this amazing day. Do make sure you follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time. Take care, guys. Happy New Year!